Hello, and welcome to Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things real estate, construction, and home improvement. Bursting with tips, tricks, and expert advice, Lux Estate is designed to guide you through the labyrinth of property development, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Every brick, every beam, every blueprint, we're here to illuminate the path to your dream project. Today, we're delving into a topic that's a must-know for anyone venturing into the construction world: 10 things you need to know before becoming a contractor. From understanding the role to mastering the essentials of financial management, we'll walk you through the key elements that pave the road to a successful contracting career. So, if you're considering a career in contracting, stay tuned for some crucial information. Trust us, these are insights you won't want to miss. Let's build a foundation for your success, brick by brick, right here on Lux Estate. First off, let's clarify what exactly a contractor's role entails. As a contractor, you're essentially your own boss. You negotiate your contracts, manage your projects, and you're responsible for the success of your work. Unlike an employee who works directly for a company, you work for yourself. You're not tied to a single employer. Instead, you offer your skills and services to clients on a project basis. Your responsibilities may include everything from drafting proposals to managing budgets to ensuring that the work is completed to the client's satisfaction. It's a role that requires a combination of technical expertise, management skills, and customer service. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As a contractor, you're responsible for your own taxes, benefits, and insurance. It's not just about doing the work, it's about managing your own small business. Understanding your role as a contractor is the first step to success in this field. Next, we delve into the skills and knowledge that are essential for a contractor. Being a contractor is not just about swinging hammers and sawing wood. It's a blend of technical and soft skills. On the technical side, you need to understand architectural drawings, building codes, and materials. You should be knowledgeable about the latest construction techniques and technology. On the flip side, soft skills are just as crucial. You need to be able to manage a team, negotiate with suppliers, and communicate effectively with clients. You must be a problem solver, able to think on your feet when unexpected issues arise. Moreover, staying updated on industry trends is vital. It's a fast-paced industry, and what worked yesterday might not work today. So, continuous learning is a must, whether that's through industry publications, trade shows, or online courses. Remember, skills and knowledge are your tools in this industry. Moving on, let's talk about the legal side of things. As an aspiring contractor, it's crucial to understand the legal requirements in your field. Ignorance isn't an excuse when it comes to the law, so make the effort to know what's needed. This includes obtaining necessary licenses and permits, which are more than just pieces of paper. They're your ticket to operate within the confines of the law, ensuring you're recognized by governing bodies and protected from potential legal issues. Furthermore, compliance with legal requirements extends beyond the initiation phase. It requires continual commitment as regulations may change over time. Staying up to date is your responsibility and a crucial part of maintaining your business. Remember, legal missteps can lead to penalties, loss of license, or even lawsuits that can harm your reputation and finances. Therefore, staying on the right side of the law is non-negotiable for any contractor. Now let's discuss a critical aspect of contracting: financial management. It's the heartbeat of your business, the fuel that keeps your operation running. Let's start with budgeting. It's not just about knowing your expenses and income, it's about anticipating potential costs and being prepared for them. Next up is pricing. Setting the right price for your services is a delicate balance. Price too high, and you might scare off potential clients. Price too low, and you risk undervaluing your work. Research the market, understand your worth, and price accordingly. And let's not forget financial planning. It's your roadmap to success. It involves setting financial goals, creating a plan to achieve them, and regularly reviewing and updating your plan. Whether it's investing in new tools or saving for a rainy day, a solid financial plan can guide you. Remember, good financial management can make or break your contracting business. Stay on top of your finances, and you'll be well on your way to a successful contracting career. Another key to success in contracting is networking and building relationships. You see, the contracting world is a vast, interconnected web of professionals, all with unique skills, experiences, and insights. By fostering relationships within this community, you're essentially opening doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain closed. Networking isn't just about shaking hands and exchanging business cards. It's about cultivating genuine relationships with people who can help you grow as a contractor. These relationships can lead to collaborations, partnerships, job referrals, and even mentorship opportunities. And remember, relationship building isn't a one-way street. It's about mutual benefit. So, as much as you're learning from others, be sure to share your own insights, experiences, and skills. Clients, too, are an essential part of your network. Building strong relationships with clients can lead to repeat business, referrals, and positive reviews, all of which can significantly boost your contracting business. In essence, your network is your net worth in the contracting business. Contracting is not without its challenges. Let's explore how to deal with them. Firstly, there's the unpredictable nature of work. One day you may be flooded with projects, and the next you might be wondering where your next job will come from. To navigate this, it's important to maintain a buffer of savings for those lean times and to market yourself consistently. Secondly, there's the issue of managing multiple projects at once. This calls for excellent time management and organizational skills. Utilize tools and software that can help you keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Finally, dealing with difficult clients can be a real test of patience. Remember, communication is key. Understand their needs, set clear expectations, and keep them informed about the progress. Facing these challenges head-on will not only make you a better contractor, but also a stronger individual. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Now, let's discuss something that's in the name itself: contracts. Contracts are the lifeblood of any contractor's operations, the binding agreement that solidifies the understanding between you and your client. They're not just paperwork. They are the framework that outlines the work to be done, the timeline, the cost, and the consequences if any of these conditions are not met. Imagine a scenario where a project doesn't go as planned. A well-drafted contract becomes your safety net. It can protect you from unreasonable demands, ensure you get paid for your work, and provide a clear path to resolution if disputes arise. On the flip side, contracts also protect your clients. They ensure that they understand what they're paying for, when they can expect it, and provide them with a sense of security. In essence, contracts are not just about obligations, they're about trust, clarity, and protection. A good contract is your best defense in any dispute. Lastly, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: work-life balance. This is not just important, it's crucial. As a contractor, it's easy to get swept up in the hustle of project deadlines, client meetings, and constant networking. But remember, all work and no play doesn't just make Jack a dull boy. It makes him a stressed and unhappy one too. So how do you achieve this elusive balance? Start by setting boundaries. Decide when your workday starts and ends and stick to it. Remember to take breaks, even if it's just a quick walk around the block. And don't forget to schedule time for yourself. Whether it's a hobby, exercise, or just some quiet time to unwind, it's important to do something that brings you joy and relaxation. Also, consider outsourcing tasks that are not within your area of expertise. It will free up your time and reduce stress levels. Remember, a balanced life is crucial for long-term success. All right, we've covered a lot of ground today. From understanding the role of a contractor to the essential skills and knowledge you need to have, we've given you a comprehensive view of what it takes. We've also delved into the legal requirements and licenses you need to obtain, and the importance of sound financial management. We've talked about the significance of networking and establishing relationships in this field, and how to deal with challenges that may come your way. And let's not forget the crucial role of contracts in protecting your work and maintaining good client relationships. Lastly, we touched on the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Remember, each of these points is crucial when considering a career in contracting. They're not just boxes to tick off, they're the foundation of a successful and rewarding career. Thank you for tuning in to Lux Estate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Here's to your success in the contracting world.